In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward in Zendesk effectively. Zendesk is a versatile platform that allows for seamless customer support, but sometimes you need to ensure that all the right people are in the loop for certain conversations. That's where the CC function comes in handy. By using the CC feature in Zendesk, you ensure all stakeholders are kept informed of the ticket updates without them needing to dig into the ticket themselves. Let's walk through how you can utilize this feature to its fullest potential. When you're in Zendesk working on a ticket and find that a particular conversation needs to be shared with another person or perhaps even a team, you'll want to use the CC field. It's located within the ticket reply section. First, open the ticket you're currently working on and go to the reply area where you normally draft your response. To the right of the To field, you'll notice a small icon that looks like an envelope or simply a field labeled CC. Click on this field, and there you can enter the email address of the person or persons you want to keep in the loop. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid sending updates to incorrect recipients. Once you've added the email addresses, any public conversation update will automatically be sent to them. This means they'll receive the same messages and info the requester does. Keep in mind that it's important to use this judiciously. Make sure only relevant persons are included to avoid cluttering their inboxes with unnecessary information. Transparency here is key, as it keeps team communication clear and focused. With that setup, when you hit send on your ticket reply, everyone in the CC field gets a copy of the message. Keep in mind that although they can see the conversation, they won't be able to reply directly to the ticket. If they need to provide feedback or additional information, they would have to interact with you outside of the ticketing system. Or, of course, you could add them as collaborators if that fits your workflow better. Finally, always double-check that you've adhered to any organizational guidelines about sharing information inside or outside the company. Some companies may have policies about who can be added to a ticket's CC field for confidentiality reasons. To sum up, using the CC feature in Zendesk is about enhancing communication and transparency with all the necessary parties. This small step can make a big difference in teamwork and ensure everyone has the information they need right when they need it. With practice, it becomes an intuitive part of managing tickets effectively. Thanks for tuning in today. And be sure to follow these steps next time you need to share ticket information with additional parties. See you in the next video.